What's goodie? It's your boy RAH with Goodie Art, man, and I am in St. Louis, Missouri. About to do a quick photo shoot with my homie Kiarra N, bitch. The one and only.
What's up?
What's happening? Yo, so we out here having a little bit of fun, man. We're right here at the Gateway Arch. I don't know if that's in frame or not, but that's the Gateway Arch. And that's the Mississippi River. So hopefully everybody's having a great day. Y'all stay tuned. Enjoy the video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video with all your friends and family. And hit that notification bell so you can keep up with the latest from Goodie Art. You, yes you, are definitely worthy enough. Whether you believe it or not, you are enough. You are enough for that new promotion. You're enough for that new career. You're enough for your significant other. You're enough for that new car. You're enough for that act of kindness, that new business. Whatever it may be, just know that you are enough. You are enough for the entire universe. So why settle for less? Make sure that every morning that you wake up, you tell yourself that you are enough. Don't wait on anybody else to tell you. Look in the mirror and tell yourself that you are enough. You don't have to wait on anybody else's validation. You and only you control how you treat yourself. I suggest coming up with a vision, formulating a vision board, and a plan based upon that vision board. Also writing down your ideas on how you plan on completing your plan from your vision. Researching what it will take to actually complete these tasks and complete your plan. Researching your target audience or who you plan on marketing to. And then just putting in the work. Because nothing ever came from somebody not taking action. So make sure that you're putting in the work and working on your plan every single day. Whether that's learning something new or actually expanding on what you've already learned from your plan. I gotcha. Also, be proud of yourself, man, even if nobody else is. Be proud of all your personal accomplishments as well. You should be cheering for yourself more than anybody else. Root for yourself in your downfalls, root for yourself in your triumphs. I know for a fact there's not a soul out here that can do your life the way that you're doing it. So be proud of those accomplishments and mountains that you climbed over while doing it. Reward yourself, cheer for yourself. Also remember to value your time above anything else. Never be afraid to tell anybody no, especially if they're not respecting your time. Like my uncle used to tell us all the time, be assertive with your no's and your yeses. Remember, your value is more than your weight in gold. You are enough. Never forget that. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, share and like this video with all your friends and family, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can keep up with the latest from Goodie Art. And I will see you in the next one.